There is a secret about attraction that society keeps hidden from men of a certain age. It is a quiet truth, buried beneath the noise of pop culture, dating apps, and the endless worship of youth. You have likely looked in the mirror recently and felt a familiar, sinking sensation. You see the gray spreading in your beard, the lines deepening around your eyes, and the settling of your face into something weathered. And a voice in your head whispers a cruel lie. It tells you that your time is past. It tells you that in the eyes of women, you are becoming invisible, that you have lost the game to the younger, faster, louder men who are just entering the arena. But what if I told you that this fear is entirely backward? What if the very things you are insecure about, your age, your history, your scars, are actually the source of a magnetic power that younger men simply cannot possess? There is a profound psychological shift that happens when a man crosses the threshold of 40 or 50. If he has lived his life correctly, he does not depreciate. He ripens. He becomes something rare. You must understand that a woman who is looking for substance, a woman who has matured past the superficial games of her 20s, is not looking for a boy. She is not looking for the frenetic energy of someone who is still figuring out who he is. She is looking for something that only time can construct. She is looking for the mountain, not the wind. This deep, almost primal attraction begins with a quality that is impossible to fake. Emotional stability. Consider the nature of youth. When we are young, we are reactive. A lost job, a broken heart, a harsh word. These things toss a young man around like a leaf in a storm. He explodes. He panics. He crumbles under the weight of his own emotions. But you? You have lived through the storms. You have survived the bankruptcies, the divorces, the grief, and the failures. You have been forged in the fire of loss, and you have come out the other side, still standing. When a woman is in your presence, she feels this. She feels that you are not easily shaken. In a world that is chaotic, noisy, and constantly screaming for attention, you offer a sanctuary of calm. You do not react to her bad days with your own insecurity. You do not crumble when life tests you. You stand firm. This emotional containment is perhaps the most attractive force a man can possess. It signals to her nervous system that she is safe. It tells her that you can handle the weight of the world, and therefore, you can handle the weight of her emotions. You are the rock that breaks the waves, not the sand that washes away. From this bedrock of stability grows the second reason you are more powerful now than ever before. Your confidence is no longer rooted in desperation. Think back to when you were 25. You wanted everyone to like you. You needed approval. You needed the woman to say yes so that you could feel like a man. That neediness is a scent, and it is a scent that repels. But time has given you a gift. It has given you the ability to walk away. There is nothing more psychologically attractive than a man who desires a woman but does not need her to survive. You have built a life. You have your routine, your books, your work, your friends. You are complete on your own. When you approach a woman now, you are not begging for a missing piece of your soul. You are simply inviting her to join a life that is already good. This lack of thirst, this dignified independence, shifts the power dynamic completely. You are not trying to prove your worth to her. You are assessing if she is worthy of your peace. That quiet certainty is intoxicating. It changes the interaction from a performance into a choice. And this leads us deeper into the texture of your mind. The third element is depth and life experience. Youth is beautiful, certainly, but it is often shallow. A young man has theories about the world. An older man has maps. You have stories that are not just retellings of movies or video games, but stories of real risk and real redemption. You understand the nuances of human nature because you have seen them play out over decades. When you speak from a place of knowing, not just guessing. A woman can sense when a man has truly engaged with the world. She sees the scars, both visible and invisible, and she knows they represent survival. This depth means you are capable of an intimacy that a younger man cannot yet fathom. You can have a conversation that goes beyond the surface. You can look her in the eye and see her, truly see her, because you have spent years learning to see yourself. You offer her a connection that is intellectual and spiritual, not just physical. You are no longer just a body to her. You are a landscape she wants to explore. You have layers, and that mystery is compelling. As we move further into this truth, we find the fourth pillar of your attraction: a clear identity and purpose. In a modern world full of men who are drifting, who change their opinions to fit the latest trend, who apologize for their masculinity, you stand as a defined entity. You have a mission, whether it is your career, your art, your children, or your philosophy. You are going somewhere. A woman wants to be with a man who is on a path, not a man who is looking for a path. Your purpose acts as a gravitational pull. It shows her that you are led by your own internal compass, not by the expectations of society. This clarity creates trust. She knows exactly what she gets with you. There are no games left to play, and there are no masks left to take off. Finally, all these things culminate in the fifth and perhaps most subtle reason: a calm, masculine presence. It is the way you sit in a chair. It is the slow cadence of your voice. It is the way you do not rush. Youth is always in a hurry, always afraid of missing out, always frantic to get to the next moment. But you understand the power of the pause. This presence is biological. It is the energy of the silverback in the jungle. It is a low-frequency vibration that says, "I am here. I am present. I am not afraid." When a woman is around this energy, her own anxiety settles. Her feminine energy, which is often fluid and moving, finds a container in your masculine stillness. You do not need to do backflips to impress her. You do not need to be the loudest clown in the bar. You simply need to be. Your presence alone is heavy enough to anchor the room.